I'm gonna start off for skin prep. So this is just toner and glycerin mixed together. I'm just gonna spray that over my face. I'm using the Potts Dry Skin Cream. Next, I took the Rimmel London State Mattifying Primer. I only like to use a small amount because this is a NYX brow glue. It's good for thin brows, especially. Now I'm taking LA Girl Brow Pomade in the shade Soft Brown. I'm just gonna lightly fill in my brows, not too dark, but not too light. Once they look like this, I like to take some concealer that's the one by e.l.f. in Deep Cinnamon and just clean up my brows and shape them a little bit. Then took the rest of my concealer and put it on my eyelids to prime them, and I'm just gonna take a brush and just pat everything in. I'm gonna take Milani's Chic Kiss bronzer, and I'm just gonna use that to carve out the shape of my eye. I'm also gonna carve out and contour my nose with this. I'm just gonna bring it down and connect it to my nose bridge on both sides. And this is what you want. If you can see. I'm gonna take this fluffy brush and start to blend that in, following the shape that I carved out. Blended, I'm just gonna take this brown eyeshadow and I'm just gonna apply it into my crease lightly and gently, and to leave the middle center empty. Taking another brush to blend that out so it could have this diffused look. White eyeshadow kind of, and placing that onto my center lid to create. You want to make sure that you tap it on there as much as possible. Now I'm going to take some black liquid eyeliner and just draw a very sharp, thin wing, starting at the lower lash line. Make sure that you bring the eyeliner all the way into your inner corner. Next, I'm taking this black pencil liner, and I'm just going to be lining my waterline, bottom and top. After that, I took e.l.f. Camo Concealer and Deep Cinnamon and put that next to my nose bridge, under my eyes. I'm just going to take this brush and just tap everything in. Nice and light. That same color and put that up under my cheekbones and my T-zone area, and bring that down to my nose bridge. Next, I'm taking this e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Rich Ebony. I'm just going to apply that right in this area. I'm going to start blending my T-zone area. Make sure I stay in this area. Next, I'm going to blend out the contour and tapping motions. I'm taking Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in shade 355, and I'm just going to apply that where I didn't apply any product. So right here, on the sides, this area, and so on and so forth. Taking my e.l.f. foundation blush, I'm just going to tap it in lightly and go over the layers where we put the contour and concealer and blend that in. Next, I'm taking my translucent powder. I'm going to be setting under my eyes and where we put this concealer. I take Essence Princess Lash, and I'm going to I'm taking my Wet n Wild brown lip pencil. I'm gonna be outlining my lips. Just overlining the middle. I'm taking my e.l.f. lip gloss. Taking my LA Girl setting spray and spraying that all over my face. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed and you watch for more.